Dear students, welcome to the video class of the chapter differential equation. Now to refresh our minds, let's do Brahmanad. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. My dear students, in last class we discussed the solution of first order differential equation and also the solution of second order differential equation. Okay, and some problems solved. Today we are going to discuss some more problems of solution of differential equation by variable separable method. Okay, by variable separable method. Some more problems. Then after discussion of the problems, we'll introduce what is linear differential equation and how to solve the linear differential equation. It is our topic, today's topic. Okay, let's start. Now, the problems based on previous class, problems based on first order ordinary differential equation and second order ordinary differential equation by variable separable method. Here dy present, but inside in the left side x square term present, function of x present. Here dx present, but left side function of y present. So we have to change, we have to make variable separation method. Solution is, this can be written as what? This can be written as, so divide x square plus 7x plus 12y into dy, y square minus 6y plus 5 into what? Into dx is equal to 0. So divide both sides by this term of this. So divide both sides, or we can write as x square plus 7x plus 12 into dy is equal to minus of y square minus 6y plus 5 into dx. So take dy term by under dy. So y square minus 6y plus 5 is equal to what? Is equal to minus of dx by x square plus 7x plus 12 into what? Into, so integrating both side, dy by y square minus 6y plus 5 minus integration of dx by x square plus 7x plus 12. Now by using perfect square or partial fraction, we can integrate this. So by perfect square dy or this is what? This is equal to dy by, this is x minus what? Total is what? Minus 6 and addition is, so minus 6 plus 1. Or you make perfect square. So y square is minus 2 into y into 3 plus 3 square minus 3 square plus 5. This is perfect square method. So minus dx by, this is x square, what? Make perfect, this is x square, x plus what? Total is 7. So factorize, this may be factorized, or make perfect square. What happens here? That is x square plus 2 into x into what? 7 by 2 plus 7 by 2 whole square minus 7 by 2 whole square means 49 by 4 plus 12, and this is dx. Okay, now what happens here? This is equal to, what happens here? dy by, this is equal to what? dy by, this is dy by what? dy by, that implies dy by what? Y minus 3 whole square. This is minus 4, so minus 2 square. Integration is equal to minus dx divided by x plus 7 by 2 whole square, and this is 49 minus 49 plus 40, that is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, so minus 1 by 2 whole square. So this implies what? Integration of, that is formula is what? dy by y square, this formula x square minus a square formula, so 1 by 2a, 1 by 2 into 2 log of y minus 3 minus 2 divided by y minus 3 plus 2. This is y minus 2, this is what? Y minus 3 plus 2 is equal to minus of 1 by a means what? 1 by 2, a means what? 1 by 2, and log x plus 7 by 2 minus 1 by 2 divided by x plus 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus c. So this is equal to 1 into 2, that is 1 by 4 log of y minus 5 divided by y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 minus log of, that is 2x plus 6 divided by 2x plus 8 plus c. Take 2 common here, so 1 by 4 log y minus 5 by y minus 1 is equal to log of 2 common cancel हो जाउची, x plus 3 divided by x plus 4 plus c, or you can take here, that is 1 by 4 into log y minus 5 divided by y minus 1 plus log of x plus 3 divided by x plus 4 plus c. This is answer. This is answer. Now another question. This is solution. dy by dx is equal to 1 plus x plus y plus xy. So this can be written as dy by dx is equal to, dy by dx is equal to what? dy by dx is equal to 1 plus x, take common here y, that is 1 plus x. So that implies what? dy by dx is equal to, take 1 plus x common here and 1 here, that is 1 here plus y. Now using variable separation method, that is dy by 1 plus y, this is equal to dx by 1 plus x. So integrating both sides, integration dy by 1 plus y is equal to integration dx by 1 plus x. So this is log of 1 plus y is equal to log of 1 plus x plus log c. Okay, so this is equal to what? This is answer, and this is log of 1 plus y is equal to log of c into mod of what? mod c of 1 plus x. So 1 plus x. Now this is equal to 1 plus y is equal to c into 1 plus x, or y is equal to what? Y is equal to c plus c into 1 plus x minus y 1. This is answer. Okay. Now one more question of second order. Now solve a to the power minus x d square y by d square equal to x. This question is asked. This question was asked in HSC examination 2004, 2002 and 2000. So solution is e to the power minus x into d square by d square is equal to x. Okay, or that implies what? D square y by dx square is equal to e to the power x into x into it. So we can write d square y by ds, that is d by ds of what? dy by dx is equal to what? X into e to the power x. Now d of dy by dx is equal to what? X into e to the power x into ds. Okay, integrating both sides, integration d of dy by dx is equal to integration x into e to the power x ds. This is by parts method. So differential of dy by ds means what? dy by dx integration x, dy integration y. So d of dy by ds is equal to what? dy by dx. This is what? dy by, this is what? dy by dx is equal to, using by parts, x into integration e to the power x dx minus dx by dx integration e to the power x dx whole dx. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to what? dy by ds is equal to x into e to the power x, dx by ds 1 and e to the power x dx. So dy by ds is equal to what? dy by ds is equal to, that implies dy by dx is equal to x e to the power x minus e to the power x plus c1. Now dy is equal to what? X e to the power x minus e to the power x plus c1 into dx. Okay. Now this is equal to what? dy is equal to x e to the power x e to the power x plus c1 into dx. Okay. Now integrating, that is integration dy, integration what? Integration dy, and this is equal to integration x e to the power x minus e to the power x c1 into dx. So this is equal to y, and apply by parts method. X into the x integration is what? This is integration of, we derived this integration of x to e to the power x, that is what? This is equal to, we have derived, that is here x into the integration of x into e to the power x. We can derive, here derived this. This is the integration of what? X e to the power. So put here directly. So x e to the power x minus e to the power x. Okay. Then integration of what? E to the power minus x minus e to the power x plus c1 x plus c2. So y is equal to, this is y equal to. Okay. ମୁଁ ଏଇଠି ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ପୁଟ୍ କରିଦେଲି, ଏଇଟା ଡିରାଇଭ୍ କରିଥିଲି କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ? ଏକ୍ସ ଇ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଏକ୍ସର ଭ୍ୟାଲ୍ୟୁ ଇଣ୍ଟିଗ୍ରେସନ୍ଟା ମୁଁ ଡିରାଇଭ୍ କରିଥିଲି, ତ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ପକାଇଦେଲି ଭ୍ୟାଲ୍ୟୁଟା କେତେ ନା ଏକ୍ସ ଇ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଏକ୍ସ ମାଇନସ୍ ଇ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଏକ୍ସ ଡିରାଇଭ୍ କରିଥିଲି। ସୋ y ଇଜ୍ ଇକ୍ୱାଲ୍ ଟୁ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍? y is equal to x e to the x minus 2 e to the x plus c1x plus c2. Okay, some short type question. A note for you: number of number of independent constant, number of independent constant or arbitrary constants is equal to its order of differential equation is equal to the order of differential equation. So one question is, one or two questions write the number, write the order of differential equation. Order of differential equation. Order of differential equation. Order of differential equation formed from the equation that is what? Y is equal to ax plus b into e to the power c1x into e to the power c2x plus c1 plus c2 into a to the power c3 and c4 and a to the power c5x plus c6. Okay, this is the question. एथरो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन कले जो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन हम तार ऑर्डर केते फर्स्ट काउंट करबा आर्बिट्रेरी कांस्टेंट देखो एट अछि e टू द पावर c1x इनटू e टू द c2x एडी पावर कोन हम ए दीटा कोन हे जिवो देखो ना एडी हे जिवो तो गोटे होची दिस इज 1 and this is 2 b and this is what e to the c1x into e to the c2x means what e to the c1 plus c2 into x. This is single constant, so this is 1 2 and this is 3 and this is 4 5 and this is 6 7. तो आर्बिट्रेरी कांस्टेंट केतरा होची डी 7 होची गोटा होची a आउट होची b and out होची c1 plus c2 a single then c3 plus c4 single then what c5 and c6. तो नंबर ऑफ आर्बिट्रेरी कांस्टेंट केते हला 1 2 3 4 5 6 आर्बिट्रेरी कांस्टेंट्स. So order is what? So order is equal to what? 6. It is important question, one more question. Now let us discuss. Solve dy by ds is equal to e to the 3s plus 4y. It is easy. So solution is what? dy by dx is equal to e to the 3x plus 4y. We can write dy by dx is equal to what? E to the 3x into e to the 4y. So using variable separation dy by e to the 4y e to the 3x into dx. So we can write integrating both sides, e to the power minus 4y into dy is equal to integration of e to the 3x into dx. So this is equal to what? That is minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 what? This is e to the power minus 4y is equal to 1 by 3 e to the 3x plus c. This is answer. Okay, now another question. Now this is question solved. dy by dx is equal to e to the power x minus y plus x square into e to the power minus y. Now this can be written as what? dy by dx is equal to what? E to the power x into e to the power minus y plus x square into e to the power minus y. That implies dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to, come on here, e to the power minus y, and this is e to the power x plus x square. Now use variable separation method, that is dy by e to the power minus y is equal to e to the power x plus x square into dx. So this is equal to integrating both sides, e to the power y dy e to the power x plus x square into dx. Okay, now e to the power y integration is equal to what? E to the power y is equal to e to the power x plus x cube by 3 plus c. This is the solution of the differential. Now let's start about what is linear differential equation. Okay, and how to solve linear differential equation. Okay, now start linear differential equation. These are the variables separation method problems. Now we'll start. Now we are going to start linear differential equation. Okay, linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. Okay, linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. Actually, what is linear differential equation? First, you should know what is linear differential equation. Okay, now what is linear differential equation? What is linear differential equation? Definition. First definition is what? Linear differential equation means the differential equation is said to be linear. The differential equation is said to be linear if the dependent variable and its differential coefficient. Differential coefficient means what? Derivative. Are all differential coefficient means what? Differential coefficient means derivative. Differential coefficient means derivative. The differential equation is said to be linear if the dependent variable and its differential coefficients occur only in first degree, in first degree and not multiplied by together, not multiplied by together. यार मीनिंग बुझी पार्थबो डिफरेंशियल लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन सपोज y इक्वल f of x तो y टा होची डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल x होची इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल एग्जांपल दो देखो x स्क्वायर इंटू dy by dx प्लस x इंटू y इज इक्वल टू सपोज 1 एडी डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल के y डेरिवेटिव कोएफिशिएंट पावर डिग्री केता अछि 1 y रो डिग्री केता अछि y रो डिग्री 1 अछि dy by dx आ y के वैल्यू मल्टीप्लाई हेले तो लीनियर कहबानी कोन कहै छी द differential equation is said to be linear if the dependent variable and differential coefficient occurs only 1 degree and not multiplied by together dy by ds सहित y के वैल्यू मल्टीप्लाई नथिबो इन डिफरेंशियल linear differential equation रे so it is linear differential this is linear differential equation okay now another example second one is y square into dy by dx plus what 7xy is equal to suppose x to the power 5 एटा लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन हबो कि तो डिग्री देखो फास्ट डिग्री टा करबा 1 अछि यार डिग्री मध्ये 1 अछि तो डिग्री सैटिस्फाई कला आउ कोन गइछि लास्ट को फर्स्ट ए डिग्री सर्टिफाई कला एंड नॉट मल्टीप्लाई टुगेदर y सहित dy by ds के टर्म ना मल्टीप्लाई हे नथिबो एडी हे जाय छै नै एटा ए दिटा dy by c तो y टर्म के वैल्यू मल्टीप्लाई हे नथिबो सो दिस इज नॉट लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन तो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन बुझीगला लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन बुझीगला तो कौन कहछि ना y सहित dy by ds रो पावर 1 थिबो y रो पावर 1 थिबो आउ y एंड dy by ds मल्टीप्लाई हे नथिबो ताकू कहिबा हमें लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन ओके नाउ general form of linear differential equation of order 1 first order linear differential equation general form of first order linear differential equation linear differential equation general form of first order linear differential equation the most general form type 1 that is dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q where p and q are functions of x and functions of x are constants type 1 and type 2 is equal to type 2 dx by dy is equal to plus px is equal to q where p and q are functions of y or constants. Okay, these are two types of most general form of first order differential equation. Now how to solve the first order differential equation? Now solution of linear differential equation. Solution of linear differential equation of first order. First, type 1 to solve dy by dx is plus p into y is equal to q, where p and q are functions of x or constants. Procedure. Step 1. Find integrating factor. Integrating factor, its short form is what? IF. Its short form is IF. IF is equal to e to the power integration e to the power p dx. This is step 1. Step 2. Then general solution is obtained by using y into if integrating factor is equal to if into y into if is equal to integration of if into q dx. if into q dx. This is q. if into q dx. Now type 2. This is type 1. Then type 2. Solve, that is solve. This is what? Type 2. dx by dy plus px is equal to q, where p and q are function of y or constant. Procedure to solve. Find integrating factor. Step 1. Find integrating factor. Short form होची if is equal to e to the power integration e to the power p dy. Okay, and step 2, then general solution is obtained. General solution is obtained by using x into if is equal to q in if into q, if into what? Into q dy. These are two two methods or two types to solve the linear first order linear differential equation. Now some problems. Now solve dy by dx plus 2x by 1 plus x square into y is equal to x cube divided by 1 plus x square. Solution: dy by dx plus 2x divided by 1 plus x square into y is equal to x cube by 1 plus x square. It is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Okay, is equal to q. Here p is equal to what? Here p is equal to 2x by 1 plus x square, q is equal to x cube by 1 plus x square. Now find pdx. Now pdx, integration pdx. So 2x by 1 plus x square into ds. It is 1 plus 1 to 0 x square to x. So fdx by x by fx. It is now log 1 plus x square. Now c लिखियोनी. It is कौन formula पढ़ला? ना formula होची integration f dash x by f of x ds is equal to log fx formula. So this is what? Log of 1 plus x square. Now if is equal to e to the power p dx. So e to the power p dx means what? Log 1 plus x square. This is equal to what? 1 plus x square. को formula पढ़ला? ना e to the power log m is equal to m. ये formula पढ़ला. Now general solution is what? Now the general solution is y into yf is equal to integration if into q into what? Dx. So y into if means what? 1 plus x square is equal to if into q. If means what? 1 plus x square into q. Q means what? X cube by 1 plus x square into ds. This goes cancel. So y into 1 plus x square is equal to x fourth by 4 plus c. This is answer. Okay. Now another question. Now solve 1 minus x square dy by dx plus 2xy is equal to x into root over 1 minus x square. First हमें आपको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म आने पड़ो, जनरल फॉर्म को. सॉल्यूशन 1 minus x square dy by dx 2xy is equal to x into 1 minus x square. बट आम स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म कौन अच्छी? dy by ds कोएफिशिएंट 1 अच्छी. तो divide both sides by 1 minus x square. That implies dy by dx plus 2x by 1 minus x square into y is equal to what? X by root over 1 minus x square divided by 1 minus x square. So dy by ds is equal to dy by ds plus 2x by 1 minus x square into y x by root over what? 1 minus x square. This is in the form of it is in the form of it is in the form of dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. This is linear differential equation, LDE, linear differential equation. So now find integration p dx. Now find integration p dx. Integration p dx is equal to what? P is equal to what? Here p is equal to, here p is equal to 2x by 1 minus x square, 2x by 1 minus, and q is equal to what? Q is equal to x by root over 1 minus x square. Now integration p ds is equal to what? 2x by 1 minus x square into ds. या डेरिवेटिव हो के माइनस 2x, तो आगे गोटे माइनस माइनस 2x by 1 minus x square, that dx, that is minus log of 1 minus x square. So this is equal to log of 1 minus x square to the power minus 1, or log of what? 1 minus x square. This is now integrating factor if is equal to e to the power p dx. So e to the power p ds means what? Log 1 by 1 minus x square. So this is equal to 1 by 1 minus x square. Now solution is y into if is equal to what? Q into if into dx. So y into if means what? 1 by 1 minus x square is equal to q. Q into if. Q means what? X by root over 1 minus x square into if means what? 1 minus x square into dx. Okay, now this is equal to y that is equal, that implies y is equal to y by what? 1 minus x square is equal to integration x by 1 minus x square to the power 3 by 2 dx. Put 1 minus x square is equal to t minus 2x ds is equal to dt. X ds is equal to dt by minus 1 by 2 dt. So that implies y by 1 minus x square is equal to minus 1 by 2 and dt, this is dt by t to the power 3 by 2. So this is equal to what? Y by 1 minus x square minus 1 by 2 t to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 3 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So this is equal to y by 1 minus x square is equal to what? Minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by plus 1, that is equal to what? Minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 into t to the power minus 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus c. So minus half cancel. So here that is y by root over y by 1 minus x square is equal to t to the power minus 1 by 2 means what? Root t, square root of t. Okay, so this is equal to what? Square root of t, square root of t plus c. Okay, so okay, so what is t here? T means what is t? 1 minus x square. So y by 1 minus x square is equal to root over 1 minus x square plus c, or y is equal to 1 minus x square plus c into root over plus c into root over 1 minus x square. This is the solution. Now this is 1 plus y square plus x in minus e to the power minus tan inverse y into dy is equal to 0. So this can be written as x minus e to the power tan inverse y into, now this is x minus e to the tan inverse y dy by, this is dy by ds. dy by ds is equal to what? Is equal to, this is minus 1 minus y square. Clear? Minus 1 minus y square. Now dy by dx is equal to minus 1 minus y square divided by x minus e to the minus tan inverse y. एटा किसी सेपरेट करी होनी तो दैट इज वी कैन राइट सपोज 1 प्लस y स्क्वायर था इट ब्रैकेट थी ओके ये ब्रैकेट था सो नाउ dx by dy is equal to what? x minus e to the tan inverse y by what? by minus of 1 plus y square. So separate this dx by dy is equal to minus x by, or we can write minus 1 by 1 plus y square into x, and this is plus e to the power minus tan inverse y, e to the power minus tan inverse y divided by 1 plus y square. Now what happens here? dx by dy plus 1 by 1 plus y square into x is equal to e to the power minus tan inverse y divided by 1 plus y square. It is in the form of, it is in the form of dx by dy plus p into x is equal to q. Here p is equal to what? Here p is equal to 1 by 1 plus y square, and q is equal to e to the power minus tan inverse y divided by 1 plus y square. Now find the integrating factor. How to find integrating factor? That is if is equal to, now if is equal to that is integration of p dy. So if is equal to what? If is equal to integration of 1 plus y square, that is equal to what? That is equal to tan, this is dy, tan inverse y, and now general solution is, now general solution is x into if is equal to q into if into dy. So that implies x into if means what? Tan inverse y is equal to q. Q means what? E to the power minus tan inverse y by 1 plus y square into what? If, tan inverse y into dy. So this is equal to what? That is x into tan inverse y is equal to what? They put here tan inverse y is equal to t. Put tan inverse y is equal to t. Okay, or minus tan inverse y equal to t. Or you can write minus tan inverse y equal to t. Differentiate this minus 1 by 1 plus y square dy is equal to dt. That implies 1 by 1 plus y square dy is equal to minus dt. Okay, so this is equal to what? This is equal to This is equal to what? X into tan inverse of y and integration of this is e to the t, and this is what? This is equal to dy, this is dt, this is equal to dt, so e to the t, again here t dt, but minus dt, so put minus sign here. That implies x into tan inverse y, use by parts formula, so minus what? Minus is here, so integration of, that is t integration e to the t dt minus dt by dt integration t e to the t dt. This is by parts method, whole dt. So this is x is equal to x into tan inverse y, and this is minus t into e to the t, and this is what? Derivative of t 1 with respect to t1, and this is e to the t dt. So x into tan inverse y is equal to minus t into e to the t. This is what? Plus e to the t. What is t? T means tan inverse y. That implies plus c here. So x is equal into tan inverse y minus t means what? Tan inverse. Tan inverse y means what? Minus of my plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse y into e to the what? Tan inverse y minus e to the tan inverse y. E to the t means what? Minus tan inverse y plus e to the what? Minus tan inverse y plus c, or you can take common e to the minus tan inverse t. X into tan inverse y, x into tan inverse y is equal to, take common e to the minus tan inverse y. So remaining here tan inverse y plus what? 1 plus c. This is the general solution of the second type of linear differential equation. These are some problems related to linear differential equation related to type 1 and type 2. In next class we will do some more problem. Thank you. Have a nice day.